G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we're joined once again by a special guest, Belinda is in here today. She's going to knock up a couple of cocktails. So I'm going to get out of the picture and let you enjoy this week's episode with Belinda. So enjoy, hey?
Thanks, Dan.
See you soon, guys.
Right, okay, what I thought I would do is a very easy summer drink for you, and we're going to use a local to me gin, A.K.A. Moon. A.K.A. Moon distillery and brewery is up in Bundaberg, and they have a rum distillery as well as a gin distillery, it's the same place. And yeah, this is a classic gin tasting London dry. It's so delicious, but the ABV is 37%, so it's something that you can easily drink quite a bit of and not be too bothered. So what we're going to mix up today is a summer drink. So we get our beautiful glass and we're going to fill it with the ice. There we go, and we're going to just pour in 45 mils to start. It's up to you, it depends how big your glass is as well, as to how much you'd like to have in there or what your preference is for tastes. So 45 mils of gin, pour it over the ice. All right, and then we're going to add in some Bundaberg ginger beer. Just carefully pour it in. You don't actually want to lose all of the beautiful bubbles in there. Then we're going to add in some fresh lime. The reason why we're going to add in the lime is because the ginger beer is quite sweet and hot, and the lime just adds a little bit of flavour to cut through. And then, to make it extra fancy, we're going to get some dehydrated lime and put some mint through it and make a little floaty. And there you have it. So that is called a gin mule. For our second cocktail, we're going to do the same cocktail but a variation, a slight variation. So a greyhound is gin and grapefruit juice. A salty dog is the same ingredients, so gin and the grapefruit juice, but actually rimmed. So today I thought we would do two different types of rims because they give you a different taste sensation. So the first one is Moroccan spice. You can use any seasoned salt that you enjoy. I don't know about chicken salt, but this one has some really tangy flavors in it that react really well with the grapefruit juice. And then you've got the Himalayan salt. The reason I choose that is because it's such a pretty pink color. So all you need to do to rim a glass, which is what you do before you actually start building your cocktail, is just cut your lime or lemon, it doesn't matter, and just put it around half. The reason why I only do around half is because if you don't like it, then you haven't wasted the drink. So we'll just put it around there like that. And I like to keep it rustic. I don't think there's any merit in making it perfect, but if you're going to do something like in the pink one for Christmas, then you can obviously do that. All right, so we'll get our second one and just rim half. And again, you can use whatever salt that you have. So white salt's pretty and tasty. I just think it looks cute with the pink one. There we go. And you can do it as fine as you like. I just like the look of it, to be honest. And it actually does taste nice and salty then. So what we'll do is I'll just grab my trusty so ice them up. You can use any type of ice. Crushed ice would be nice, or a big statement block or a sphere. That's nice. That's just to keep it colder longer. All right, I've got A.K.A. Moon gin again today. So 45 mils, again, if you've got a bigger glass, you can use more gin. Just pour it over nicely. Get it mixed over that ice to make it nice and cool. If you want less than 45, that's fine too. Right, then this is the one that I get that at the shops. You might even want to get a V8 one or something like that, it doesn't matter. Or you might want to get just the regular grapefruit juice. Nice and cold too, keep it in the fridge. So you'll find that it gets a little salty and the smell of your Moroccan goes through. Give it a little stir just to get that gin and juice in together. And there you have it, the salty dog.